Welcome back to ClearTask. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use ChatGPT's new camera video chat feature so you can show the AI the world around you in real time. Let's dive directly in. First, make sure you have the official ChatGPT app installed on your smartphone and that you are logged into your account. Currently, this feature is available to ChatGPT Plus subscribers, so you will need an active Pro plan to access the live video capabilities. Once you are in the app, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. You will see a small microphone or voice icon. Tap on that to enter advanced voice mode. As the voice interface opens and connects, look for the new camera or video icon on your screen, tap that icon. Your phone will ask for camera permissions if it is your first time using it. Once access is granted, ChatGPT can now see exactly what your camera sees. You can flip between your front and rear cameras, point your phone at a complex math problem, a block of code on your monitor, or a foreign menu, and talk to ChatGPT about it naturally, just like you are on a video call with a friend. When you are finished, simply tap the exit button to end the session. It is that simple. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward professional guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.